your hands out like this and just swing all the way to the left, all the way to the right. The arms and hands will help create momentum, and then you can bend to the left and bend to the right. Our goal is to help get as much motion in here as we can. This is exercises with an exercise ball. Rotate to the left, rotate to the right. We want to do this 50 or 60 times in each direction, and that will really help get more motion in the mid back, low back area. And if we can get more motion, that's going to help the discs become healthier. Bubble chair is a great piece of equipment that's going to help get motion in the low back, and we want to get motion to restore the normal motion, normal alignment, and that's going to help increase the disc space. Like you're in a hula hoop, so put your hips all the way forward, all the way back. I want to do that 50 or 60 times going forward, 50 or 60 times going backwards. Once you do that motion, then do the same thing to the sides, all the way to the left, and then all the way to the right. Do that 50 or 60 times. The wobble motion, think of it like a figure eight. So you want to have the figure eight tipped on its side. Go left hip forward, left hip back. Right hip forward, right hip back. Now this motion simulates the normal walking cycle. So the left side of the body is going forward, the right is going back, and it kind of sways and pivots. As you do this, it's going to help to get everything working and firing right, and that will help increase the disc space. So when you go forward, I want you to breathe in. Breathe out when you go backwards. So again, right hip forward, right hip back, left hip forward, left hip back. So I'm going to show you some dynamic stretches. And a dynamic stretch is one where you're moving. And we do these to help increase the joint space between your bones. So start off at the calf and just shake your calf out like this. And try to do that for 30 seconds. And move up to the knee, forward and backward. Do that 15 or 20 times. Swings forward and backward like this. You can also go to the sides. This really helps open up the hips, and it's going to really warm you up here. Shoulder circles, so all the way forward like this, going counterclockwise, and then you can actually change it up and go clockwise. So you want to do these ATY exercises for 30 seconds to a minute, and that's going to really help get between the shoulder blades and in the neck. So I'm lying on a foam roller here. It is up and down. It's right in the small of my back. And I want you to do ATY. When you're doing it, try and extend your arms all the way. Extend all the way.